You know, I like these flowers. It's just that they die. Right?
Yeah, those are annuals.
Kuha kaming pintal guys kasi magpipinta na kami pero mag-start muna kami doon sa aming bathroom. Hallelujah. Mag-uniform kami mamaya ng asawa ko. Ito, yung yellow. Okay. I'll just be here. And then, what kind of gray do you want?
Just light.
This one, Iron Mountain?
That's too dark. I thought you wanted one really light in there. You really should have a light color. If you want a gray, like the light.
No, for the bedroom, we can have light colors, but for the bathroom, I want it gray.
It's gonna be a dark bathroom.
Yeah, that's fine. Teka lang kasi may iba pang mga customers, so I have to wait. Tapos ito yung gagamitin namin para sa walls sa aming ceiling, flat interior ceiling. Siya. Ito para sa ceiling. Tapos ito para sa ito yung kailangan kasi bulk yung $140 stinking dollars. Hi. Yes.
Okay.
And I want it flat, please.
Flat, okay.
Or no, matte. Matte and flat, are they the same?
Yeah, same.
Yes. Yes.
And then,
Interior for walls.
okay, do you want it in like a eggshell? Or you said flat, I'm sorry. You said
Yes.
Do you want it in like a 2-coat paint or a 1-coat paint?
What is the difference?
So these are, so it's going to take 2 whole coats for it to be done. This is a 1-coat protection paint. So like you put the paint on and it's supposed to cover really dark colors, but you're supposed to be able to do all your walls in 1 coat.
Okay, and how much? What's the difference in prices?
Right here.
50 and 31.
Yeah. This is just paint and primer. This one has like a scuff defender in it and like a primer as well. And then these are both 1-coat paints, but this is your cheapest 1-coat that I'm going to have.
Yeah, I'll have that one.
Go with the marquee.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Angle it down a little more.
Looks like enchanting road.
Yeah, angle it down a little more.
Why?
There, so you get more of the more even.
I don't know. Just try to imagine if you are walking here at 12 o'clock midnight.
You better better be hope that the drivers are paying attention. You wouldn't want to be walking on this.
So ito po yung dadaanan namin pag pupunta kami ng hardware store, ng restaurant. Like, oh my goodness, bukid talaga. Good job, Borg. It looks nice. Yeah, it's very nice. Pininturahan na ni Corey yung I don't know, yung support ng gable. Tapos ito din, puti din yan. And then, Dan finished the sidings already on that side and here. So, and then, makita niyo, dalawang na dito, buslot, yung trench na lumalagay tayo dito. Tama ba yun? So, first is yung sa plumbing na connect na. Tapos, electrical wiring na connect na din. So, may electricity na kami sa bahay. So, wait. It's coming along. Parang nakakatuwa na after months and months of hard work, nandito na kami malapit na kami sa tuktok ng aming kabuhayan dito. Hey, what is that? What are you doing?
Registration sticker.
Oh, sticker.
Yeah.
How many times do we have to change it every year?
Once a year.
Oh, once a year. Yan. Ito po yung kagubatan namin. Woo. Nakakasad lang kasi meron talagang mga hiccups everywhere. Kahit na noon sa other renovations namin, ang daming mga unexpected circumstances and expenses na kailangan atubangin. Ano ba yun sa Tagalog? But anyway, so natapos na yung connections ng plumbing inside the house. Tapos ngayon, kailangan namin ng aircon unit, right? Hindi pala part yun sa parang 15,000 na binigay ng quote ng tao Tapos pati na din yung water and heater, tapos gas pipes. Hindi rin na included dun sa quote. Doon naman sa aming plumber. Ay, so nag-ask ako, sabi ko magkano ba yung water heater at saka vent at saka pag-install lang. Tapos kaming bibili ng mga materials. Water heater is like over 1,000 I think for 50 gallon. So yun lang, pag-install lang ng water heater, pag-install ng pipe para sa gas at saka vent, nagdemanda siya ng sangkatutak na 3,500 on top of the, I think I paid him 11,000 para sa, somebody stop me, wala na po kaming pera. Oh my goodness, but di bali na ganun talagang mapatukod ng bahay, guys. Mahal. But anyway, ito na po ang partly finished product and fruit of our labor ng asawa ko at ako. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Tapos na finally ang aking tiling sa sides ng aking shower pan. And then, shower stall. And then, yan. Magsisimula na akong mag-tile dyan sa pan or sa sahig. Tapos, after that, lalagyan ko na ng caulking to seal everything at saka grouting. Tapos, yan, yung may mga plastic na dyan. Yan, lalagyan namin yan ng net. Parang yung net is made of yung fabric ba para didikit yung ating joint compound so that magiging ganito siya. Yan. And magiging ready na sa ating pagpinta. So stay tuned! Ayan na. Ang hirap pala nitong klaseng bato i-install. Whew. Ang hirap. Tapos, before natin lagyan ng grout ito, kailangan daw lagyan ng sealant first. So, wala pa akong sealant. Siguro sa sunod na araw na ako sisil dito. Kailangan ko din ng additional bato. Kasi ang dami kong na-waste na bato few weeks ago. Iisa-isahin natin ito. Can you believe that? Isa-isahin pag limpyo. Tapos, if you can see, may mga gaps dito. So, lalagyan din natin dyan ng bato na separated from the net. Everything is mahirap talaga. But oh well. Ganito talaga ang buhay. Merong mahirap. Pero towards the end, makikita mo yung fruit of your labor na, ay, napakaganda, parang tapestry of a painting na hindi mo makita ang kabuuan ng beauty niya while you're still installing or painting it. Tapos, pagka matapos na, pasensya lang, kunti lang pasensya, and then, before you know it, tapos na, tapos maganda yung resulta. So, yan. Mga trabaho ganito, guys, kailangan talaga pasensya. Pasensya. Kasi pag wala tayong pasensya, siguro hindi ito bagay sa klase ng trabaho na para sa iyo. Ako, mga ganitong bagay, guys, mataas yung pasensya ko. Pero, minsan, pagbalik-balik na din, nasasawa na ako. Kaya, after nakakatawa talaga kasi, pas kada renovation namin, towards the end, nagsasawa na ako kasi kita ko na yung picture na, ito yung gagawin ko. Okay, nakita ko na. So, ang gagawin ko is maghahanap na naman ako ng mabibiling bahay. Sabi ni Cory, tama ka lang dyan, isa-isa lang, wala tayong pera. Pero ganun talaga, guys, kasi pag balik-balik na lang, nasasawa ako. So, yun. Kailangan ko ng bagong canvas. But anyway, okay. Now, maghahanap ako ng mga bato para ilagay dito. Before ako mag-continue dito, maglalagay muna ako ng bato dyan. So, this is it, pusit. We finally, woo! After, ilan ba? Ilang weeks ba? Probably a month or more. Kasi hindi ako everyday nandito. Finally, matapos na. Yay. Malapit na matapos yung aking shower stall. Woo. Yung mga puti-puti dyan, magiging, all black. Kasi kailangan linisin. Tapos, tingnan yung aking shower stall. Yung mga dyan, yung decolored na parang may pagka-gray na mga stones, yan yung remnant nung, remember parang may nanood. May linagay ako dyan before, tapos hindi tama yung mortar na ginamit ko, cement na mortar yung nagamit ko, kaya siya nagiging gray or brown. So, binaklas ko lahat, and then, sabi ko, bibili ako ng tin set. So, yan, yung tin set puti. So, nag-pop up talaga yung mga stones. Nakulangan ako ng, stones. So, ginamit ko na lang yung binaklas ko before. Yan, so, medyo may pagka-brown siya, pero i-brush ko, hopefully, matanggal yung, stain niya. But, anyway, that is it, pusit. Yan po yung partial na bathroom ko. Tapos, lagyan ko lang dyan ng sliding doors, glass, frameless glass, tapos pintahan. And then, what you think?
Coming along. Did the viewers? Did you tell the viewers it has to grade down so it rains?
Yeah, it will have to grade down. Hello.
It doesn't look like it's grading down.
Believe me, it's grading down. Yep, it's grading down. Hello, ang ganda Ang ganda. Tapos, ang color ng bathroom ko is yan, gray. So, lahat ito gray except for dyan na area kasi itatile ko yan ng katulad nito para, protection ba from the splash of the water from the jacuzzi. And so, may white dyan na tile and the rest is going to be gray. Tapos, white and black gray dito. Yan. That is it, pusit. Gusto ko sanang mag-paint ngayon, kaya lang hindi na kaya. Sakit na yung payod ko. But anyway, I can't wait to finish this. Ito yung aming washer and dryer area. Tapos, 3 lanes yung nilinis ni Cory. Kailangan ko pang tapusin dyan, Dyan. And then, yung mga Mexicano, they did a good job of doing the drywall patch. So, yan. Pintahan ko na lang ito. Tapos, after that, done. Lagyan ng chandelier dyan. Should be fine.
There are lane closures ahead.
Yeah, we know.
I'm afraid of that.
Just once it gets past the trees. Not as easy.
Welcome to Kentucky.
Is that nuclear plant?
No. Look at that way.
Ito yung Kentucky, guys. Napaka-bukid-bukid talaga. But I want to see the plant. I'm afraid of that plant. So it's not nuclear?
No, it's not. Hydroelectric.
Using water to
Yeah.
produce. Taas ng ilong ng husband ko.
That's what I had, because I've read about it.
So, does it emit pollution?
I don't know what it. Yeah, I think so. Some kind of.
Okay, at this juncture guys, punta na naman kami sa Kentucky. Ang ganda lang kasi dito sa lugar namin 3 state ang madali mong mapuntahan. Yung Ohio, tapos you just drive, a few minutes away. Probably mga less than 30 minutes nasa Kentucky ka na. Tapos magda-drive ka naman, less than 30 minutes o nasa Indiana ka na. So makakasuroy ka ba, pasyal ka kahit saan sa 3 state. Uy, 3, meaning plural. States, not state.
Is it gonna tell me soon? What is it gonna tell me?
Just in 1.8 miles na din. Alright, coming up is our downtown area. Dito sa downtown guys, makikita nyo ang mga establishments ng Procter & Gamble. Alam niyo ba yung Procter & Gamble? Yung mga products nila, Head and Shoulders, yan. Head and Shoulders, Close Up, Tide, parang ang Tide, Procter & Gamble din. Tapos, yung mga dishwashing soap natin dyan, yan. most of them are from Procter and Gamble also. So nandito sila, ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Nandito yung yung main office nila, yung main campus nila. Dito po naka-employ yung mga heads ng iba't ibang department sa Procter and Gamble. Tapos, ang nakakatuwa dito sa aming probinsya, guys, is dito din ang galing yung the first astronaut that landed in the moon. Alam nyo kung sino? Ha 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 ha.
There's some lights now.
It's really beautiful. So, ang aming syudad dito sa aming lugar.
Second time doing this tonight,
Yeah.
right?
Tapos, but we're going to Procter and Gamble, right?
Go by it.
Yeah. I-video tape ko sa inyo yung Procter and Gamble na gumagawa ng close up, ng head and shoulders, ng tight. Is tight? Procter
Tide?
and Gamble.
It might be, I don't know.
We have so many American products in the Philippines.
Colgate? No.
No, Colgate is not. It's close up.
Colgate Home.
Ito yung professional soccer. Is it soccer or baseball?
Baseball.
Baseball stadium namin.
The tunnel. There's your tunnel.
Where? Oh.
And then Procter & Gamble will be right after. On the left will be, it'll be on the left. Should be right on the left here.
So,
It's right there actually.
what? What in the world?
You gotta go back. It's back behind us now.
Yeah. Yun lang, oh.
Yeah, it's literally right
Tingini.
behind. It's right. I can't. I mean, it's right behind us, but it's fine. We'd have
Yan,
to
oh,
come-
yan.
Now it's alright. We have to come in from every way.
Palpak yung pag-take ko ng video ng Procter and Gamble.